Sexy.
Yeah, I apologize to both Joey and Dreamy. Thinking for a second without Rondo that the Celtics would be in any type of jeopardy against the Hawks. Absolutely horrible. And you know what? They are contenders because there's no Derrick Rose in front of them. They can definitely take their lineup versus whatever the 76ers got. You would think. You're one of the most Doc Rivers has taken this team, which is no margin, and has pushed all the right buttons in terms of
Mm-hmm.